All right, I think we have people joining. Hello, everyone. Thank you for making some time today. I'll start off by introducing myself. My name is Ben Dugal. I see some familiar faces out there. Some of you guys probably know me. I am a client success manager here at Summit. Now, I'm not the star of the show, but I keep the dots connected. My job here is to introduce clients to tech that can improve their workflows, their security, and their profitability. Also, to keep our client systems running smoothly and just generally make sure that the tech is working for us, not against us. I want to back up a minute, tell you a little bit about ourselves. We are Summit Business Technologies. We are an MSSP located in Millersville, Maryland, just an exit away from BWI. We're an IT services and consulting firm. We have a focus on cybersecurity solutions, and we offer a full service support desk with 15 agents on staff to handle day-to-day IT issues and assist with the heavy lifting, all those big IT projects. We partner with our clients to continually support and upgrade their IT infrastructure and just make sure you guys have maximum uptime, high security, smooth workflows, and all that good stuff. But I want to tell you today about Sayori. She is the star of the show today. She has been part of the Summit team here for a year, bringing her valuable experience from working with a luxury home builder. She managed all of their marketing, including websites, and she has degrees in graphic design, computer science, even user experience design. She's her creativity, her technical expertise, and definitely a focus on user-centered design to make digital experiences that are intuitive and impactful. She's excellent at listening to her clients and translating their ideas into effective website updates that reflect the vision of the company. She's always on the cutting edge of the tech as well. She stays current with digital trends, understanding what strategies have lasting impact, and best of all, she knows how to recommend changes that deliver the best value for your investment. So with that, I want to hand it off. Sayori, take it away.
Thank you, Ben. Thank you for that introduction. Thank you everyone for joining. I hope you get some valuable information out of today's webinar. So let's get started. So what is no-code reno? I'm sure that's a new term. No one's heard of it before. So similar to a home renovation, it's repainting, redecorating, and rearranging your website. It's not tearing down the entire building. Essentially, it's a smarter way to modernize and refresh your website because you get to keep your current platform. We work within your current platform, so that means there's little to no downtime for your business and for your users. You get to keep your structure and your content mostly. For the most part, this prevents users from being completely shell-shocked when they come to your website after you've done this refresh. And it also helps us refresh your content. So, yeah, you also get to refresh the look, user experience, and SEO basics. If you don't know what SEO is, it means search engine optimization. So this is your Google, your Bing, and essentially it's how people find you when they search certain terms, how far up you are in that link that comes up. Um, so you also get to keep the cost and the time lower than a full rebuild. So because we're only going in to refresh certain things, the cost and the time is going to be lower than if we were to do a complete full overhaul. Essentially, we work with what you have and we bring it up to modern standards. It's kind of like a digital glow up or a digital makeover, but for your website. So why does it matter? Why do we need to refresh a website? How often should you refresh your website? Industry best practices say that your website should receive a design refresh every 3 to 5 years. So this means mostly aesthetical changes, whether it be colors, fonts, or simple changes to the design concept. And then it should receive a full rebuild every 7 to 10 years. So that includes a back end and front end overhaul rebuild with reprogramming, new design concept entirely. And this is to keep your website up to date and as fast as possible for your users. Why does it matter? So similar to fashion trends, website designs cycle pretty quickly. So while we don't want to change our website every time the trends change, we want to have our own personal style. We do want to stay somewhat current to show our visitors that we essentially know what we're doing and we are keeping up with the trends and the times. Branding updates could be coming up. They could be something that you did without even realizing. And it could be small changes to your colors or your fonts that you are using now. And if your website no longer aligns with your current branding, then you unfortunately no longer have brand recognition on your side. As a consumer, it's really important for you to convey brand recognition. We can also perfect the user experience. We always want to make sure that our users are able to easily and quickly find what they need, do what they need, because it eliminates any user frustration. There are millions of websites out there, and if they come to your website and can't find what they need quickly, they're unfortunately going to click away and go to the next one. Mobile usage expectations. These are constantly evolving and changing with those iOS or Android updates that we have to do all the time. Actually, as of May 2025, mobile devices made up 65% of all website traffic. In comparison to 2015, that was 38%. So just in a matter of 11 years, that went up by 30%. So there's a lot of expectations around mobile phone being able to easily navigate websites while you are on there. SEO algorithm shifts. The SEO algorithms are only getting smarter and they will realize if your websites aren't mobile friendly or they aren't user friendly, they want to promote the websites that are going to help their users find what they need. And unfortunately, your website would fall lower in the ranks if you aren't updating it. Trust. Your users trust that they come to your site and it's going to work properly and it's going to have accurate information on it. They want to know that they can find you what you offer and it's going to be accurate. You still offer those services that are on your website. As much as we'd like to think we don't judge a book by its cover, unfortunately we do when it comes to websites. So even if it works, even if it still works, it might not work for you anymore. It's kind of like a store window. It needs regular upkeep and refresh. Let's look at an example of what a well-known website looks like and used to look like. Ben, if you could please share your screen. Okay, so here we have Target. I don't know about you guys, but I do a lot of shopping at Target, and honestly, it's because I can find stuff easily. Their navigation is clear, their categories are clear. I can find what I need in a few simple clicks. And it's very easy. Their homepage shows me perhaps deals I didn't know were going on or new things that they have that I didn't know they had. It keeps their users up to date, easy to navigate, no pain points. Pain points would be something that is kind of like user frustration and annoyance when you come to a website. But if we go over to what their website looked like previously, this is modernized. So in 2004, this is what Target's website looked like. I don't know about you, but if I come to this website, I immediately assume this is a scammer website because it does not look what I expect a 2025 website to look like. So while in 2004 this was easy to navigate, maybe it was up to the times in 2004. Clearly, it no longer is. With the modern day concepts, we're expecting even easier. Our attention spans are getting shorter, so we're expecting websites to keep up with that also. Okay. All right. So what are some signs that your website needs a refresh? So some telltale signs would be your branding has since changed. This could be fonts, colors, slight logo adjustments. The most minimal changes will take away that brand recognition from you. The biggest one, though, would be a change in your brand's voice. You really want to pay attention to this one. If you went from speaking to your users in a friendly casual to a professional expert, that would be a big shift that would need to be addressed. Your site isn't mobile friendly. You notice text is running to the edge on your phone, images become zoomed in instead of cropped to the proper ratio, your content isn't in the right location, there's a button over here when it should be over there, those kinds of things. Visitors aren't converting, so they're coming to your website, but they're not doing anything. They're not submitting a contact form. They're not purchasing items that are on your site. Content just feels old or irrelevant. It looks outdated. You kind of cringe when someone asks for your website. That's a telltale sign. It needs a little bit of updating. So what would be included in Summit's no code reno? So you would receive one design concept and two revisions so that we can perfectly make sure that this new concept really aligns with where your business is going. You get to update your homepage and any key pages, whether this be about us, services, teams. You get updated branding elements. So this would be your fonts changes, color changes, buttons, hover styles, anything that could be your style on the site gets to be updated. New navigation and footer. We want to make sure that our users are always able to find things easily and quickly. So we can update your navigation, your footer, making sure that you're linking things in the correct order of importance. Definitely mobile optimization. This is a big one. Like we were saying, search engines are only getting smarter, and you really want to make sure that your website is optimized for mobile users. You get basic SEO updates and Google Analytics setup. So Google Analytics allows you to track that traffic on your website and even allows you to see if people are visiting and not converting. You get to update any contact forms. If there's emails on there, they're receiving the contact forms and they're no longer accurate, or you want to collect different information. You get to update things like people that were no longer on your team, or maybe you've added team members. You get to add new client testimonials. So I'm sure you've received better client testimonials in recent years. So this is a real example of a website that we did. If you see on the left, that's what their website looked like. And then on the right, we modernized it for them. So while this website was mostly aesthetical changes, they wanted to keep essentially the same content that they had. They just wanted to modernize it a little bit. One of the biggest pain points for them was they had too many pages and didn't know where to put it. And their users were finding that they would come to their website and wouldn't be able to find what they needed. So we definitely made sure that we were able to really make that easy for any visitors on their site. So what is it not? No code rental does not equal a full rebuild. There's no custom code, no backend overhaul, no CMS migration, no 6-month timeline or $20,000 price tag. So while Summit does do full rebuilds, and that is something we could absolutely offer you, no code reno is more for that 3 to 5 year refresh that we were looking at. That's the industry best practice. We essentially keep what's working and we fix what isn't. We do, however, have some optional add-ons if you'd like to go above and beyond, make your website even better. We have advanced SEO to make sure that you're looking even better for search engines. You're coming up even higher. Users can find you easier when they search the industry that you might be in. Google Ads and Bing Ads. Again, this will bump you up, bump your SEO, um, and essentially be a promoter for you. We have accessibility upgrades to make sure you are absolutely ADA compliant if you would like to do that. Also, load speed optimization. Again, SEO is smart and they know when your sites are slow, they won't bump you up, unfortunately. So, what's the pricing and the timeline on this? What's the investment? Honestly, because no code reno is so custom to you, custom to your business, what you would like to change and adjust, it's really based on platform and the complexity of the changes. We've seen clients do minimal changes, maybe just a shift here and there, or changing just the color, changing just the fonts. It could be anywhere from 3,000, but we've also seen people say they would like to change everything on their about page, everything on their homepage, and that would maybe sit at 7,500. It really is custom and it depends on what you would like to do with your site. The typical turnaround on this is 4 to 8 weeks. Again, this is working in the back end 4 to 8 weeks. This is not downtime for 4 to 8 weeks. So we would be working in the back end together, collaborating, and once that shift is ready, it would be just minimal downtime for that. How to get started. So because you attended today's webinar, we are offering for a limited time a free website audit and 30-minute consultation. So this would be us going into your website, looking at what you have. You get professional recommendations. I can say, you would most benefit from updating these things. We can do these things for you. All you have to do is book before October 9th. That's 4 weeks from today's date, and you can redeem this offer by emailing us at sales@summitbiztech, or you can just give us a call, and our number's right there for you. Again, this is no pressure. You just get professional feedback. You get 30 minutes of free advice from us, and our experts, and you get to benefit from that. Are there any questions that I can answer about this? Any concerns? Ken, if you could please pop my email into the chat. Maybe someone would prefer to email me after the webinar with any questions that they may have. I'm always here to answer any questions. If you would like to book a consultation, we can absolutely do that for you and have that deeper dive.
Sure, I can definitely do that. Not a problem. Give me one moment.
If I could say,
Yes.
it is a bit of a travesty that they removed Spot from the Target website. I miss the Target puppy. It
Yeah.
was on the old site there.
Yeah.
Maybe that's a vision change, but is it really for the better?
I don't know. I guess we would have to ask Target Marketing. They know what they're doing. All right, folks. Well, thank you for attending today's webinar. I hope you got some useful information out of it. Again, if you have any questions, reach out to us. If you would like to book that consultation and free audit, please reach out. And we're always here for you. Thank you so much for attending, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.
Bye, everyone.